Hi, this is Jay Johnson, Product Manager for Safety Controllers and Safety Relays here at CIP in North America. Today I'd like to show you Flexi Net. Flexi Net is our latest and most powerful safety controller yet. It's a modular system consisting of a main unit and then up to 12 expansion modules, which would consist of either I/O or communication gateways. In the main unit, we've got 32 I/O built in. There are 20 safe inputs, 4 safe outputs, and 8 test pulse or non-safe outputs. Those 8 are configurable. Built in also is a Modbus TCP port and motion control capability. So if you're familiar with Flexi Soft, we have expansion modules called the Mach and Mach 1. Those allow us to bring in encoders and then do safe and motion monitoring. With Flexi Net, that is all done in the main CPU, and encoders are brought right into the main I/O. We do have safe networking capability. So with this, our Gepper module, which can handle EFI-pro, which is a proprietary network out to our LiDAR scanners. And then we also can do CIP Safety or be an EIP target, all on this one module. In addition, we have, we'll call it some blue gateways indicating non-safe communication. So we have EtherCAT, PROFINET, and CANopen. A little glimpse into the future, toward the end of this year, we will also add FSOE capability to this system. On the end here, I have a relay module, but again, remember I could handle up to 12 expansion modules. We have I/O modules that consist of 8 safe in, 8 safe out, or 8 safe in and 8 test pulse outputs. Flexi Net is compatible with our Safe Series connection, Flexi Loop. Flexi Loop allows us to cascade or daisy chain up to 32 sensors. The sensors can be mix or matched OSSD or dry contact electromechanical style switches. We can bring 32 and only consume 2 inputs on the controller. Flexi Loop can be configured on the main unit or on the XTDI expansion unit. A little about the physical packaging. If you're familiar with Flexi Compact, you'll notice this looks very familiar. That's because they share the same housing and in fact share the same expansion modules. So the same XTDO, XTDI, and then communication gateways can be used with either processor. The big differentiator again is the motion capability that we have in Flexi Net and the safe networking. Both platforms program in Safety Designer. Safety Designer is our free software used to configure our safety controllers and also our safety LiDAR scanners. As I stated at the beginning, this is our most powerful controller yet. As compared to Flexi Soft, we have twice the memory capacity and process at about twice the rate. So with Flexi Soft, our limitation is 256 function blocks per program. With Flexi Net, we double that to 512. There are also many new function blocks available for Flexi Net that make programming much more efficient. These blocks include the kinematic block for AGV kinematics, the discretizer block for range finding for speed and position, and integer blocks that allow you to evaluate integers, compare, and send and receive integers over the safe network. Back to some physical characteristics, we've got nice bright LED status indicators on all of our I/O. We have touch screens which can be used to set communication parameters on all of our gateways. The terminal strips are a quick release remove. It's very convenient where cables and whatnot can be being built and manufactured while the panel is being populated, and then cables can be plugged in after the fact. Note, most of our safety controllers and our scanners have a system plug or memory plug. In this case, the memory plug is built right into the terminal strip, and this is where the configuration and program are stored. If a unit would ever need to be replaced, we can simply pop off the terminal strip, put in a new unit. We don't need a computer to reconfigure. We're off and running. Adding modules to the system is quick and easy. We can remove this protective cover that covers the bus connector, and the modules lock into place and the bus connections are made. Very simple. So that's just a very quick and brief overview of Flexi Net. But keep in mind, if your application requires safe motion monitoring or safe network communication, Flexi Net is the controller to look at. In this particular demo, we have an encoder and we have a couple of proximity sensors all going back into the main I/O. The proximity sensors are set up at an angle to emulate the same thing as an incremental encoder output. In the program, we're monitoring the speed, and if we exceed a certain threshold that I've set, we'll get an indication on the light, go into an e-stop, drop the relay, and we'll have to reset. So for more information, please take a look at www.cic.com, search Flexi Net, or reach out to your local sales representative or application engineer. Thank you.